Assuming you're searching for Ethereum cost expectations, gauge for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2030 and need to know where the costs of Ethereum will go from now on. We will dissect the previous costs of Ethereum and we'll figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activity. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you want to take this forecast in each and every expectation with the aim that this is just the idea of some market master investigators. Also, anticipating something so wonderful is totally inconceivable. However, we will make an honest effort. We should begin. Ethereum was sent off back in 2015 when cryptographic forms of money were at their pinnacle. The advancement that was utilized to fabricate Bitcoin was accustomed to carry Ethereum into this present reality. Ethereum is absolutely programmable. This implies that you can construct dApps with no hustle effectively on their organization. The elements of the application that is based on the organization are exceptionally cutting edge. All the organization gives you play with its developments access an exceptionally gorgeous way, and you can in a real sense do anything with the innovation. The pioneer behind ETH, Vitalik Buterin, delivered the white paper of the coin in 2013, preceding the coin's underlying coin presenting back in 2015. Ethereum establishment was likewise a drive of the pioneers behind the Ethereum organization. Yet the originators need to leave the organization since it was reported as a charitable organization formally. The ICO was held in Florida, where the originators behind the ETH sold more than $18 million worth of coins. The sum was planned to use in the advancement of the task. The coin needed to hang tight for long to get itself on the board. The clients began to move the coins in 2015. The hard fork was one of the significant occasions held in ETH history. The hard fork update was proposed by the pioneers since they figure it would keep programmers from getting into the ETH blocks. Ethereum passed value examination. As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of Ethereum is $1,736.43, and ETH is right now positioned number 2 in the whole crypto environment. The core supply of Ethereum is 122,373,866 with a market cap of $212,493,243,478. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has been diminished by 1.07% in its ongoing worth. Assuming we think about the ongoing business sector cap of the ETH with yesterday, you can see that the market cap is additionally down. Ethereum is confronting a difficult time jumping aboard with other crypto coins. The ETH is down to nearly 3.92% over the most recent 7 days. The coin is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining portions for recent days. The coin could serious areas of strength for have, however, we don't believe that it would a beneficial resource in present moment. In any case, after the contrasting the ongoing cost and recent days cost history, it is seen that Ethereum has expanded 4.650% in its worth. The typical lease cost for the month is $1,527.63, while greatest normal cost was $1,655.68. This suggests that this coin is a reasonable resource and another expansion to your arrangement of coins for long haul. The 90 days cost change is around 27.25%, and the cost course from a base typical cost of $1,257.77 to greatest normal cost of $1,283.59 in the beyond 90 days. In most recent 4 months, Ethereum has shown a developing pattern. Subsequently, we imagine that comparative pieces of the market were very famous at that period. As per the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Ethereum is expanded from 4 months. The exchanging volume is an essential job in its cost. The coin is up by 34.32%, with the greatest typical cost of the coin was around $1,306.47, and the base typical value of was around $1,200.46 in beyond 4 months. We foresee future Ethereum cost expectations. ETH gauge by applying profound computerized reasoning helps specialized examination on the past value information of Ethereum. We give a valiant effort to gather most extreme verifiable information for the ETH coin, which incorporate numerous boundaries like past value, Ethereum market cap, Ethereum volume, and not many more. Assuming you are hoping to put resources into advanced digital forms of money and need great profit from your ventures, try to peruse our expectations. Ethereum Value Forecast 2023. The cost of Ethereum is anticipated to reach at the very least worth of $2,095.42 in 2023. The Ethereum cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $2,469.68, with the typical exchanging cost of $2,157.83 all through 2023. Ethereum Value Expectation 2024. Ethereum cost is figured to arrive at a least conceivable degree of $3,027.51 in 2024. According to our discoveries, the ETH cost could arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of $3,725.14 with the typical figure cost of $3,135.40. ETH value figure for 2025. The cost of Ethereum is anticipated to reach at least worth of $4,399.50 in 2025. The Ethereum cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $5,300 with the typical exchanging cost of $4,556.27 all through 2025. Ethereum value expectation 2026. According to the Gauge and Specialized Examination, in 2026 the cost of Ethereum is supposed to reach at any rate value worth of $6,567.34. The ETH cost can arrive at a greatest value worth of $7,677.24 with the typical worth of $6,749.59. Ethereum value expectation 2027. The cost of Ethereum is anticipated to reach at least degree of $9,858.29 in 2027. The Ethereum cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $11,306.69 with the typical cost of $10,195.77 all through 2027. Ethereum value expectation 2028. Ethereum cost is figured to arrive at a least conceivable degree of $15,190.71 in 2028. According to our discoveries, the ETH cost could arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of $17,309.49 with the typical conjecture cost of $15,700.50. Ethereum value expectation 2029. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of ETH, in 2029 the cost of Ethereum is determined to be at around a base worth of $22,249.83. The Ethereum value worth can arrive at a limit of $26,550.26 with the typical exchanging worth of $23,034.86 in USD. Ethereum value estimate 2030. The cost of one Ethereum is supposed to reach at the very least degree of $30,728.17 in 2030. The ETH cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $38,588.83 with the typical cost of $31,879.92 all through 2030. Ethereum value expectation 2031. According to the Figure Cost and Specialized Examination, in 2031 the cost of Ethereum is anticipated to reach at least degree of $45,492.75. The ETH cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $53,274.19 with the typical exchanging cost of $46,767.95. Ethereum value forecast 2032. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of ETH, in 2032 the cost of Ethereum is anticipated to reach at any rate level of $66,084.73. The ETH cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of